Okay, good day to all. Good day to all the reviewees for the Master Plumber Board exam. Our topic lecture for today is definitions, still definitions. This time, letter Q, R, and S of the Chapter 2 of the National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, or NPCP 1999. Before we proceed, for those who not yet subscribe in my channel, please subscribe this channel, BRICE Academy and Consultancy. BRICE AC course also to MCGI channel and greenfriendforever to get access to membership perks. You may click the join channel and enjoy the membership or choose the membership type you want. We are still in this portion, the plumbing terms, or in the RNPCP, the chapter 2 definitions. We will finish in this video up to letter S of the definitions. Okay, let's start. Q, quality of materials. All plumbing fixtures and materials used in any discharge of a plumbing system or parts thereof shall be free from defects. R, receptor, an approved plumbing fixture or device of such materials, shape and capacity to adequately receive the discharge from indirect waste pipes, constructed and located to be readily cleaned. Regulating equipment include all valves and controls used in plumbing systems which are accessible. Relief vent, vertical vent line, the primary function of which is to provide additional circulation of air between the drainage and vent systems, or to act as an auxiliary vent, or on specially designed system such as yoke vent connection between the soil and vent stacks. Repair, reconstruction, or renewal of such part of an existing building for its maintenance. The word repair or repair shall not apply to any change of construction or occupancy. Return bend, an open return bend usually made up to 90-degree bends with inside and outside threads, flange or welded fittings, and applied also to a 180-degree bend in copper tubings. Rebent, kaya balikan na lang, yung back bent pipe. Rim, an unobstructed top open edge of a fixture. Riser, water supply pipe which extends vertically to one full story or more to convey water into pipe branch or plumbing fixtures. Rough-in, installation of all pipings and fittings, parts of the plumbing system which can be completed prior to the installation of fixtures and accessories. These include sanitary and storm drainage, tap, hot and chilled water supplies, gas pipings, vent pipings, and the necessary fixture supports. For letter S, marami to. Sand interceptor, sea interceptor na lang. Sanitary sewage, a wastewater containing human excrement and liquid household waste, also called domestic sewage. Sanitary sewer, a sewer intended to receive sanitary sewage with or without pre-treated industrial waste and without mixture of rain or groundwater. Seal, vertical distance between the deep and the crown weir of a trap. Also water in the trap between the deep and the crown weir. Secondary branch, when a branch in a building drain other than the primary branch. Seepage pit, a loosely lined excavation in the ground which receives a discharge of a septic tank and designed to permit the effluent from septic tank to seep through pit bottom and sides. Okay, yung tip ko lang po sa inyo, paki-double check yan. Pakitignan po yung meaning nito. Yung seepage pit, saka yung cesspool. No? Medyo may, ano yan eh, may tricky yan eh. Merong parang similarity yung meaning nila. Pero ito kasi from septic tank. Basta pakitignan na lang po yung cesspool. Okay, septic tank, a watertight receptacle which receives the discharge of a sanitary plumbing system or far thereof, designed and constructed to retain solids, digest organic matter through a period of detention and to allow the liquids to discharge into the soil outside of the tank through a system of open joint subsurface pipings or seepage pit, meeting the requirements of this code. Service pipe from the street water main or other source of water supply to building served. Sewage, any wastewater containing animal or vegetable matter in suspension or solution and may include liquids containing chemicals in solution. Sewer, a pipe or conduit for carrying sewage and wastewater. Sewerage or sewerage works, comprehensive term including all construction for collection, transportation, pumping, treatment, and final disposition of sewage. Shaft, a vertical opening through a building for elevators, dumbwaiters, lights, ventilations, or similar purposes. Siamese connection, a hose fitting with clapper valves for combining the flow from two or more lines of hose to a single stream, the inlet fitting of fire standpipe located above ground level. Siphonage, a suction created by the flow of liquids in pipes, pressure less than atmospheric. Suction created by the flow of liquids in pipes, a pressure less than atmospheric is siphonage. The word shall denotes mandatory acceptation. Shielded coupling, an approved elastomeric sealing gasket with an approved outer shield and tightening mechanism. Single family dwelling, a building designed as a home by owner of such building and shall be the only dwelling located on a parcel of ground with the usual accessory building. Size and type of tubing. Please see na lang the diameter, the term or the meaning of diameter. Slip joint, an adjustable tubing connection consisting of compression nut, friction ring, and a compression washer designed to fit a threaded adapter fitting or standard taper pipe thread. For the slope, please see the meaning of grade. Soil stack, vertical soil pipe, conveying fecal matter and wastewater. Soil pipe of any pipe which conveys the discharge of water closet, urinal, and or pictures having similar function with or without the discharges from other pictures to building drain or building sewer. Excuse me. Solder joint, a pipe joint obtained by joining metal parts with metallic mixture or alloys which melts at a temperature below 427 degrees centigrade and above 149 degrees centigrade. Spigot at end of pipe which fits into a bell, also word used synonymously with faucet. Special waste which require some special methods of handling, such as the use of indirect waste piping and receptors, corrosion-resistant piping, sand, oil or grease interceptors, condensers, or other pre-treatment facilities. Stack, vertical main of a system of soil, base or bent pipings extending through one or more stories and extended through the roof. Stand pipe, vertical pipe, or a reservoir to which water is pumped to give it at a head, classified as wet standpipe. Water pressure is maintained at all times. Automatic standpipe system operates automatically by opening a hose valve. Manually operated standpipe system, remote control device at each hose station, and dry standpipe, having no permanent water inside the pipe. Storm water, that portion of the rainfall of or other precipitation which runs off over the earth's surface after a storm. Story, that portion of a building included between the upper surface of any floor and the upper surface of the floor next above. Subsoil drain, underground drain pipe that receives only subsurface or seepage water and convey it to a sump for disposal by gravity flow or by lift pump. Stack vent, extension of a soil or waste stack above the highest horizontal drain connected to the stack. The uppermost end of the roof is called stack vent through the roof. Through roof. Sump, an approved tank or pit which receives sewage or wastewater and is located below the normal grade of the gravity system and must be emptied by mechanical means. Oh, bakit wala yung sump pump dito, no? Sump lang. Supports, hangers, anchors, brackets, cradles, or are devices for holding and securing pipes and fixtures to walls, ceilings, floors, or structural members. Surface water, that portion of rainfall or other precipitation which runs up over the surface of the ground. Swimming pool, a water basin used for swimming designed to accommodate many bathers at a time. Properly connected to a disposal system, fills and rose water supply or provided with approved water purification and circulation system. Okay, that's the end of our lecture. This lecture, no? Our next lecture is definition from letter T up to C. No? T U B W X Y C. No? So C wala naman yan. Wala namang term na C doon. No? Pero lagay na rin natin. Okay, for inquiries, comments, and suggestions, can email in the email shown screen or in the number shown screen. You can email in this video, can comment in this video or all the videos you're watching. Good luck to those takers for the upcoming Master Plumber or exam. And I hope these videos would help you refresh or help you in your review. Have a great day. See you in the next lecture, definitions E to C. Thank you very much for watching.